In this lecture, we are going to introduce 5 inequality symbols. First, I'd like to start with a equality. Notice, 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. That's true. The left side of this equal sign is 4, and 4 is equal to 4. This is an example of an equality. We have a statement where the left side is equal to the right side. Let me do another example. Here's a statement. 7 minus 3, I left a little space here. I have 5 over here. What I want to do is I want to put a symbol here that will make this a true statement. Now notice 7 minus 3 is 4. 4 certainly does not equal 5, so we cannot put an equal sign there. The first inequality symbol I'm going to put is an equal sign with a line through it. Now notice we read this as 7 minus 3 is not equal to 5. Now we have a true statement. I could have put a different symbol there. 7 minus 3, remember, is 4. I could put this symbol in there. This is known as the less than symbol. 7 minus 3, which is 4, is less than 5. So that is another inequality symbol, and this makes this a true statement. In fact, we said there were 5 inequality symbols. I'd like to introduce those to you. Let's make a little chart. How about if I put the symbol in this column? I'll put its meaning in the middle column, and then maybe I'll do an example over here. The first one we saw was the not equal to symbol. The meaning is not equal to. An example, 3 is not equal to 2. Okay. That symbol we saw earlier is the less than symbol. An example might be 5 is less than 7. Now, we're going to see that we're going to also have a greater than symbol. Maybe 10 is greater than 8. Now, let's look at these two symbols. Notice they look exactly alike, except they're pointed in opposite directions. What you need to remember is the pointed end is always going to point towards the smaller value. 5 is less than 7. 10 is greater than 8. Notice the pointed end is pointed towards the smaller number in this case. Okay? Another one looks an awful lot like the less than symbol, but this is going to represent less than or equal to. This little line here represents an equal sign. So I'll put that down. Less than or equal to. We'll do a couple examples. 5 is definitely less than or equal to 9. That is a true statement. How about 5 is less than or equal to 5? That also works, because 5 certainly is equal to 5. So 5 is less than or equal to 5. This is a true statement. And last, probably guess, we're going to have the greater than or equal to symbol. Works just like the previous symbol. Greater than or equal to. In an example, 11 is greater than or equal to 0, or certainly 11 greater than or equal to 11. So those are the 5 inequality symbols that we're going to use throughout this textbook.